Happy Monday, everyone. Yes, Crypto with Klaus sings on Mondays. Why? Because XRP has recorded its third week of inflows. TUSD issues a warning to a security breach involving customer information. Xrpl tokenization, is that what's going to make XRP boom here in the next 18 months? And are whales pulling out of ADA? That and more coming up next. Yes, happy Monday. And this Monday we're starting off with Trick, a super channel supporter. Trick says, venture capitalists would be interesting, Klaus. These are the people who take a chance on the future and have the dollars to spend to make big changes, and not forgetting the confidence that the type of business brings to the market. Slante, thank you so much, Trick. Yeah, we talked about venture capitalists a lot on this channel and how they've been pulling out of crypto. I will have a video of that linked at the end, but you want to do a deep dive on venture capital money, and Trick's got a good point. You want crypto to moon, you need VC money to start flowing in. Bitcoin's sitting at 27,855. The market's green, celebrating the green from our friends like Trick across the pond. Hello, Ireland fans. ETH 1586 sold 23.39 up 7%. XRP not at 50 cents yet, but things are starting to heat it up. 49.4 with XLM right now at 10.7. Meidu plans to sell its crypto holdings to focus on AI business. We've talked about this before. Not just venture capital money leaving crypto, going to AI investments, but we've also talked about some blockchain interweb companies, crypto Web3 companies that are now pivoting to AI because the money's there. Meidu, the first Hong Kong listed firm to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum worth nearly 100 million, will no longer focus on crypto and may sell its holdings gradually, reported on local media on October 16th. Hey, that's today. That's why you hit the subscribe button for the most recent breaking news. Kang Yikong, Senior Investor Relations Manager of Meidu, said the profit was largely attributed to the company's subscription system, which prevents the company's earnings from fluctuating significantly due to macroeconomic changes. The AI business growth driver for Meidu, and the company will focus to turn its losses into profit. The AI product subscriptions, such as Meidu Design Studio, will help its profit contribution continue increasing in time. Now, what they're basically doing is saying this. We've got a subscription service for AI stuff. That subscription service over here is making up for the ups and downs, the ebbs and flows of the crypto market. So you know how crypto companies out here, the largest one in Hong Kong, okay, worth nearly, actually, I'm sorry, not the largest, the first one, pivoting from crypto now to AI, following the money. Are you following the money? ADA whales following the money. Wallet count for 1 million plus ADA holders declines. Are whales offloading? Well, yes, obviously if it's declining. Upon observation of holders of 100,000 units of ADA, he observed that substantial percentage decline in their count. The chart Cheeky Crypto shared depicted their numbers barely grew. In parallel, the count of major ADA investors, specifically those that hold 1 million units, saw negative growth. Interestingly, this category of ADA investors saw negative growth across all time frames, suggesting they are taking profits and getting out of ADA. So whales less. Very interesting. I'll have this chart and all my other articles linked in the description down below. Crypto funds, including XRP, rocked its third week of inflows. Here's the third week of inflows right here. Now look, we had some bad outflows that we have to make up for. So you can see the net gain is not there. Now we did have some net inflows real biggie in week number 26 around that May time. But come on now. Haven't seen shit since with some nasty outflows, but last 3 weeks of inflows. Now, what about XRP? Well, I've got you covered right here, everyone. XRP inflow 0.4, 0.4, and 15 year to date. So net positive inflow for XRP. We're going to talk about XRP later. Why XRPL? Tokenization. Will that make XRP go boom? Let's move it on over here. What else do we got? We got a data breach. TUSD third-party security breach revealed blockchain wallet addresses. Well, that's not good, everyone. The information included the first and last names of customers, their email addresses, and phone numbers. Client addresses, date of birth, bank names, transactions, and blockchain public account addresses. The breach involved TUSD's former banking, customer onboarding, and product management service provider, TrueCoin. Wow. Okay. So whether we're not hacking crypto directly, Hey, if we're hacking wallets with addresses and accounts, you know they're going to be subject and prey to hacks later. Not good, everyone. We really do have to work on the security of crypto and Web3. David Schwartz coming out with big dong, and David Schwartz says XRPL to become favorite platform for tokenized real-world assets within 18 months. Well, that's good because, I mean, in 18 months, is it still going to be relevant? Come on now, everyone. You know, we've been following XDC. Now, XDC has been doing a lot of tokenization news. Their tokenization news they had about a month and a half ago, boom, price went up. They just had one a few days ago, no price action. Stellar, big on tokenization. So you've got players in the space that are big in tokenization, but is that going to lead to price action? Stellar, one of the biggest people with RWA tokenization, not seeing shit for price. In parallel, he pointed out the importance of accessibility and flexibility when dealing with tokenized assets. Schwartz stated that users want to conveniently buy, sell, and transfer assets without being tied to a specific currency. I agree with that. If you tokenize some sort of debt, you don't want to tie it to US dollars because that limits the access to people close to US dollars. It's a good point. So if you offer products that aren't tied to a specific currency, you're allowing more people to play in that pool, not just people that only play in that specific currency pool. But my whole thing is this. You're saying, hey, yo, 18 months, we're going to be ready for some massive tokenization action. But is it going to help out price? And in 18 months, is that even going to be something that matters? 18 months ago in crypto, we weren't talking about tokenization too much. We were talking airdrops, weren't we, everyone? Everyone was airdropping everything. So I'm saying the market changes. So is tokenization going to be something big in 18 months, or are we going to move on to the next thing? XRP price action. All right, we hit a low, 47.5. Since then, we've bounced on up. We do have Jerome Powell's speech coming at the end of this week. I'm thinking about live streaming. It's on Thursday, by the way. That could definitely be something that can knock us down. We've also got some positivity being built into this move right here. Bitcoin ETF approvals. That's good. Now, what we're looking at, though, is the volume still being garbage. All right? David Schwartz can talk everything he wants about, you know, XRPL becoming the favorite platform for tokenization. We could look at our charts to see XRP's got inflows here. But price action hasn't been cute. Hasn't been hot at all. No sexy redhead action. Ugh, grossness over here. So when we're looking at these charts now, we're looking at some positivity built into Bitcoin ETF news. You got Jerome Powell later this week doing a speech. Hey, if he's dovish, that could make crypto go green along with XRP. If he's hawkish, it could send things down. Why? Because the Fed is meeting in a couple weeks. They're not expected to raise rates. But if they're like, yo, we're not going to raise rates now, but we might come at you nasty in December and nasty in 2024, well, that could send the market on down. So that's where we're at, everyone. We're looking for reasons for the market to boom, and we're not really seeing any yet. Yes, David Schwartz, you know what? Hey, if XRPL becomes like the premier place for tokenization, awesome. But if it doesn't lead to XRP holders making some juicy action on there, then you think people give a shit? I mean, come on, we're back to the whole thing of, are you here for the tech or are you here to make money? How about this? How about you comment down below and let me know? Are you here for the tech, the money, or those hot crypto chicks and those buffed out crypto dudes? Let me know in the comments below. Maybe I'll share it in the next video. What am I doing today? Well, I'm hanging out with you guys. Gonna pound out a bunch of content today. Gonna be gaming it. Yes, everyone. Rest day for me as I had a long run and a lift yesterday. So yeah, let me know what you're doing in the comments below. Let me know if you think XRPL is gonna help XRP boom. And have a great rest of your day.